I'm gonna show you how to make a slime. So, what you need is a glue, clear and the regular. Then you need some activator. Then you need some beads and a glitter. And then you need a food coloring and a scent. Yes. And a spoon and a bowl. So here's how to make it. First you need to pour the glue in the bowl. Just put half of it there. Like this. Like this. And then you need to add the food coloring in it. Just in 3 drops. 1, 2, and 3. Then for the scent, you can do 3 drops too. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. Then you mix it. Be sure to mix it well. This is a light purple, so if you want more, you can add more if you want. Oh, that's good enough. Now that we stir it. Then once it's mixed well, you can put your activator in it. Just wait. Mix it well until it's a slime texture. It doesn't smell like the scent, but you can put the scent later. Mix it in a minute, any minute you want. I don't think this is not good enough, so still mix it, or you can put more activator if you want. Oh, sorry about this. If it's not good enough, you can put more activator in it. Make it better. More here. Just make sure you don't make it too sticky. I think I made it, but it's a little liquidy, so you might need to fix it. Yep, and here is it. But you need something to do. So I don't know what I do, but I'll just keep putting here. Then after that, you can put the scents or just put this first on like this. but just put it on a little bit because you don't want it to get out already. Like that. Then you use your hands to mix them. Mix the beats. But after you mix the beads already, you can put another beads. But the beads might blend in. So be careful when you blend it. Really wet. Clear glue is really fast to see because it's clear, but I'm using the regular glue. Okay, you mixed it well, so let's add the others. Oh, I gotta spill some. Okay, here it is. Almost done, almost done. Then after this, I need to put the scent. Because you guys saw I put the scent, but the scent ran out. So if you can just put food color the food coloring first. And now the glitter skin. Oh wait, I forgot about the other one. The freebies. You can call it the beads or a freebie. It's up to you to call them. Oh, I gotta spill again. Don't mind it. I kind of took a bunch. Oh, there we are. Oh, it's okay. So let's back into it. Mix it well. Oh no, it dropped. Never mind. I'm almost done, guys. Now all you need is the glitter. I can open the glitter. Here is the glitter. Now here is the glitter. It's a little bit of glitter. Make sure to not put it in your face. Not get sparkle all over. Once it's all in the glitters there, you can also put your scent if it runs out. So I'll put there. My scent is strawberry, but you can use any scent you want. So this is only if you got slime. DIY slime. Oh my god. Oh, it smells like strawberry. And there you got slime. So that's how you make slime. That's bye.